Hello everybody and welcome back to Total OS Today. Well, for this screencast I wanted to take a look at the brand new Firefox 4 or Firefox 4. This is of course the popular web browser by Mozilla, and this is the most up-to-date version available today. It is available for both Windows and Linux. This is the start page. I have a few bookmarks here at the top, so let's dive right in and get started. Now what I would like to do here is just click Getting Started with Firefox. As you can see here at the top left, you have their logo. Scroll to the right, you have Desktop and its submenu, Mobile, submenu, Add-ons. This is probably one of the most popular features of the Firefox browser. Support and About. Let me click About Firefox here. And of course it says we're building a better internet, and if you haven't already downloaded, which I have, it says Firefox 4 free download, and you can browse here, participate, communications, careers, partnerships, so on and so forth. Alright, let me go back, and what I would like to do is highlight some of the tabs, the shortcuts here, and see what we have. So let me start here at the left. Let me highlight this. It says Firefox menu button. All your menu items are now found in a single button for easy access, and that would be the orange thingy over here at the top left. It says New tab, Start private browsing, Edit, Find, Save page as, Send link, Print, Web developer, Full screen, Set up sync, Exit. Of course the bookmarks, History, Downloads, Add-ons, Options, and Help. If I continue the flow here and go to the left, we have the App tab. Now if I was to go to my channel here, I can right click and pin as app, and right here to the left you have a little app tab, and I could also do this with this, pin app as tab, and now I have two over here. Click that, click that. If I wanted to change it back, I can just click unpin, go to my YouTube channel here, unpin, and it has my normal bookmarks here at the bookmark toolbar. Okay, continuing with the flow here, let's scroll down, and we have here private browsing. Turn this feature on and protect your browsing history. You can slip in and out of private browsing mode quickly, so it's easy to go back to what you were doing before as if nothing happened. So let's take a look here. Okay, this to me is just the back and forward tabs. I don't really see a private browsing tab here. So let's continue with the flow to the right. Instant website ID. Want to be extra sure about a site's legitimacy before you can hand over your personal info? Click on this favicon for an instant identity overview. So let's click it right here and see what it says. This website does not supply identity information. Your connection to this website is not encrypted. Uh-oh, call the police. Well, I will click that and it will give me information about Mozilla. Of course, I find that it works just fine. You can click the General tab, the Media, Permissions, Security. If you were to scroll down here, you can click this and it would say Block images from Mozcom cdn-mozilla.net, but I'll leave it as is. Okay, where were we? Let's scroll to the right. And continuing with the flow, we have tabs on top. Of course, that would be these tabs over here. Again, nice little bookmark shortcuts. Alright, let's continue with the flow. And let's go to the right here at the bottom, the awesome bar. Get to your favorite sites quickly, even if you do not remember the URLs. Start typing, and the awesome bar will include possible matches from your browsing history, bookmark sites, and open tabs. So let's see, if I go here to the search bar, let me type in just you Or, now of course this will bring it up because I was already browsing for that, but let's try something else. Let's try, let's see, Microsoft is too easy, isn't it? Let's try CNN, and let's see if that comes up. And of course, it'll bring up CNN. You can click to those various highlighted websites here. Let me get out of that. All right, let's continue with the flow. Where were we here? The awesome bar, go to the right. Switch to tab. If you are opening a new tab, Firefox will check to see if you already have that site open. If you do, you'll be directed to the existing tab, so you don't open a duplicate. Well, that makes sense. I think we'll leave that alone. Add-ons Manager. The Add-ons Manager lets you discover and install add-ons without ever leaving Firefox. Browse ratings, recommendations, descriptions, and pictures of the add-ons in action to help you make your selection. Well, that makes sense. So if I go to the Firefox here, click add-ons. Of course, this will bring on the add-ons page, add-ons, extensions, appearance, and plugins. These are my various plugins. Okay, let's get out of this. So far it's looking okay. Keep going the flow to the right. Of course, you can customize the toolbar. Firefox can remember your passwords but does so without intrusive pop-ups. Instead, look for the remember password notification integrated seamlessly into your view at the top of the page. Alright, sounds reasonable enough. Let's scroll to the right, which would be here. You can customize the toolbar. You can adjust Firefox's interface to be exactly the way you like it, rearrange, organize, add, or remove buttons or fields to change your browsing experience however you want. So if I were to right click here, I can add the menu bar. You can see it right here at the top left. Right click it again, and of course it goes away. It brings back the standard Firefox orange bar. Alright, let's keep going the flow to the right. Personas. Change the look of your Firefox in a single click. With personas, easy to install themes created by users from around the world or that you make yourself. So let's see. Personas. Do I have I don't really have personas here installed, do I? Alright, let's keep going with the flow. Alright, the bookmark button. Manage your bookmarks in a single button. Find your favorite links without getting bogged down. So I think that would be this. Okay, there's my bookmarks. Simple as that. Let's continue with the flow. Sync seamlessly connects your desktop and mobile Firefoxes so you can access your browsing history, passwords, bookmarks, and even open tabs no matter which devices you use. I don't currently have any mobile Firefox devices sync, but I guess I can see where that would come in handy. Now what I did here was just click a tab, and of course you can choose between that one or the other one. There we go. You can tab groups, and I just clicked a blank page here. Let me get out of that. I do not want to close all the tabs, so we'll just do that. And let's see. Let's go back to there we go. Okay, that seems simple enough. Let's go back to getting started with Firefox. Alright, let me wrap this up. Overall, it has a few nice extra features. It seems this seems like a more streamlined approach to the popular web browser. I like it. I use this in addition to Google Chrome. Google Chrome. Both are fine. Both Firefox and of course Google Chrome is available for Windows and Linux. For some reason I keep gravitating back towards Firefox. I don't know, it's just maybe I've gotten more comfortable with it over the years. So really everything here seems to work. The only thing I couldn't quite understand is the private browsing. Turn this feature on to protect your browsing history. You can slip in and out of private browsing mode quickly. And now the way I read this, if I click this, it would go into browsing mode, but it doesn't really do that. If you want to go into browsing mode, you can just click Start Private Browsing. And now I am in browsing mode because it just says here Private Browsing. Firefox won't remember any history for this session. Alright, let me click Home here, go back to the home page, getting started. And I noticed here at the top, you see right here, the color changed from orange to, looks like this purplish grapey color. So apparently I am still in private browsing mode. Let me click this. Will it get me out of it? No. So let me click that. Let's click Stop Private Browsing. Okay, now it turns orange. Well, I did not know that. Well, that's cool. That will let me know when I am private browsing as not to be disturbed. Actually, what it does, it doesn't save your cookies or browsing history and stuff like that, which is nice if you would like a little bit extra privacy. One last thing on privacy, there is a do not track feature here that I read about. I think it's in options, security. This is supposedly meant to keep your tracking, or supposed to prevent or lessen the ability of companies to track your browsing history. It doesn't work 100% as far as I can tell, or as far as I read. It's here somewhere, and I apologize, I should have looked this up first. But anyway, you can probably check it on Google. Just type in do not track for Firefox and it will give you more information. But from what I understand right now, it is not 100% working. But it's nice that Firefox is at least trying to implement a feature like that. Alright, well that's it for Firefox 4. Thank you for watching this screencast of Total OS today, and as always I will catch you sometime in the future. Bye bye.